Happy holidays! Hey guys, it's Susan. Let's make some Christmas ornament earrings. Super sweet and so easy to make. These earrings are so fun and festive. Let's start putting these together. It is so easy and simple. And you'll have ornament earrings for the holidays. We need some basic tools. We need our flush cutters, our chain nose pliers, and our round nose pliers. We also need 3 head pins, and these are 2 inches. We need our earring wire and a 6mm jump ring, and then the silver balls are 8mm and 6mm, and the large hole pearl is 10 to 11mm. I've also got some bead caps here. I have some daisy spacers, and I have these cute little toho cubes. Okay, so let's get started. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to put on my bead cap. Then I'm going to put on my large hole pearl. Put the bead cap on top. And then I'm going to put my daisy spacer on. And I'm going to put on a silver cube. Now we're going to do the middle one, and the middle one is, oh, that was the middle. Then we're going to do the green. So I've got my 2-inch head pin. I'm going to put my silver bead, my daisy spacer, and then my green cube. And for the red one, using my 8mm silver ball, I'll put that through. Put on my daisy spacer and my red cube. Now to measure this, to get the increments of where we're going to cut this in order to make this staggered, I wrote it down. So the middle, since these are 2-inch head pins, right, we need to get our ruler out. The middle one, which is the large one. So what I'm going to do is measure it from the top of the cube. So I'm going to put it right there at the 0 centimeter line, and then I'm going to cut, I'm not going to cut it, I'm going to bend it here at the 2.5 centimeter line right here. So I put a little mark there for myself. So that's the large one is 2.5 centimeters from the top of the cube. Measure that out, put a little mark there. The red one, from the top of the red cube, I'm going to go to the 2 centimeter mark. So I put a little mark there, and I'm just using just a little Sharpie. The green one, from the top of the cube, I'm going to do 1.5 centimeters right here. Since I've already marked them, I'm going to go ahead and use my chain nose pliers, and I'm just going to bend the wire to the back at the point where I marked them. This one back and this one back. What I need to do is make sure that I have about 1 centimeter of wire to make my loop. So I just put my finger in and measure. This is about 1 centimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Do the same for all of them. I'm going to put my finger in and cut it. And cut it. Then what I'm going to do is come in with my round nose pliers and just turn the loop towards me. So I'm going to do that to all of them. Oops. And last one. Okay, So now that I've got all my loops made, we can put it together. Let me go ahead and move this out. I've got my 6mm jump ring. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. These earrings are so fast and easy to make. You can make a whole bunch of them and give it like as Christmas party gifts. Like if you have an office party and you need to give gifts, you can give these. They're so cute. And then put on my earring wire and close that up, making sure my ends touch. And there you have it, super sweet Christmas ornament earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will give these earrings a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.